Want quality like big creators, but you don't have a PC? Then why I am here? You can increase your quality to next level by just using your phone. Welcome to this tutorial. Let's start. First of all, import your clip and follow my step. If you want Capcut Pro, tell me in comments. Make app, download it from Google, modded version, follow my step. Here are results. Subscribe to this channel. I will never disappoint you.